Hi, welcome. Today we are going to be making a positive quotes frame for your mental health, but we're going to make it so you can easily swap out the positive quotes or affirmations anytime you like, so you don't have to redo it over and over again. If you don't know me, my name is Claire. I'm an art therapist and transformative life coach for creative souls, and I love sharing videos and live training to help women improve their mental health. If you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you love it, please make sure to subscribe and explore the rest of the videos available. I'm going to dive straight in right now with the supplies that you're going to need. So this is an overview of everything that's included in the project. We're starting with blue tack, glue dots, PVA glue, a decorative doily, a cute paper clip just in a little heart shape so that it goes along with my gold theme, positive quotes which you can download for free via clairedb.com/quotes. The link will also be available in the description box, and I've included landscape and portraits so I can show you that they're easily moved. We're using scrapbook paper in 2 contrasting colours and this paper trimmer, and I love the paper trimmer because you can measure and fill in any or include any size of scrapbook paper available. Use your pencil to measure and trim the scrapbook paper to the size of your frame. So my frame is an A4 frame. I took the backing off. I removed the plastic because we're going to be doing a layered piece. And now I'll be just trimming a little bit off so that it truly fits inside. And I'll be adding blue tack to the back to secure it to the frame, just to avoid it moving around inside the frame, since we've taken off the kind of plastic front or the glass front, whatever that is for you in the frame you've chosen. And secure it using the blue tack, and of course using blue tack so that you can change this anytime you want. I'm adding the little clips back in so that we can hang it up any way that we like, portrait or landscape, which is why I chose this particular style of frame. And now I'm just going to eyeball my way around this paper, and I trimmed the little border at the bottom just so I could get a better overview of how it needs to be trimmed whenever. No, I don't think that's right. So I'm just trimming off this piece, and then I'm going to get a pair of scissors, which I didn't include at the very beginning, but I'm going to do a little edging around the edges, of course, just to give it a little bit of texture. And make sure that you choose contrasting scrapbook paper. You don't want to choose scrapbook paper that is like 2 sets of super bright bold patterns, because then that will detract from the quotes. We want you to love the way it looks, because it will naturally draw your eye, and if you have it somewhere every single day that you will see it, you will start to believe it. And it is so important because we actually remember 1 positive thing for every 100 negative things that we recall. So consciously filling your brain will help you to cultivate a positive mindset. Now I'm using the glue dots, and I'm just taking off a strip of 4, going in the 4 corners, and I will apply a little bit of pressure just to make sure that they're truly on the cardstock before removing the back. And I will add that, building up my layers carefully, making sure it is centered, and just adding a little bit of pressure to make sure everything I need is right there. And I've selected this portrait style quote just to begin with, and I am just trimming it down so that it's a lot smaller compared to the scrapbook quotes, because I want to add the decorative elements and play around with the layouts and just figure out where everything's going to go. So use your PVA glue to apply your doily, and I'm just gluing the center because it allows the rest of the doily to be lifted from the frame, and you can see the shadow there. It just gives it an extra dimension and texture. And adding the blue tack allows us to create those removable quotes, which we can change anytime we like. I'm just gonna attach my paper clip because it's pretty big, and then there we go, blue tack is back. This was such an easy project to do, and it is so good for your mental health, and I just want to show you how you can easily just make it portrait or landscape with these decorative elements. You can make as many frames as you like with as many positive quotes as you like. They will be great for your mental health. Thank you. And if you know somebody who could use this project for their own mental health, please send it to them, and thank you again for watching.